Hi, my name is Lynn Morales, and I'm a naturopath in the Dallas area. And I want to talk to you about sleep anxiety and stress. You may be somebody who is suffering with one issue, two issues, or all three that we're talking about here. And whether you are in corporate America like I was, where you worked 60 to 80 hours a week with no weekends off usually, or maybe you're caregiving for a family member, a parent, a spouse, or maybe you're a mom, 24/7 on all the time. These three topics can mean a lot to you and can really impact you. But the good news is we've got some ways to support you. So let's just take a look at and understand the problem a little bit more. So sleep, basically, when it's poor, it can become its own life stressor right away. It can cause aggravating inflammatory conditions, hormonal issues, emotional issues like fear and anger. But importantly, also is sleep can lead to hypertension when it's not balanced, compromised immunity, infections, weight gain, diabetes, depression, anxiety. These are major health stressors that are affecting our country today and may be affecting you. And I want to circle back around to weight gain. Very important thing. If you're trying to lose weight, sleep is not good, you're not going to lose weight. Also, few other things, cognitive function, memory retention, mood regulation, all of these very much impacted by sleep. When you take the hormones and neurotransmitters that affect sleep and you pair that with the hormones and neurotransmitters that impact stress, you now start to have this recipe for a absolutely stressed out person that leads generally to anxiety. And when we don't have hormones and neurotransmitters balanced, we start to experience bigger health issues. And do you know now 1 in 13 adults worldwide now suffers from an anxiety disorder? That is absolutely astounding to hear that number. And notice these stats on anxiety since COVID. Look at these astounding rates where anxiety over the few years went from 6.33% to 50.9%. That's absolutely astronomical. But the good news is we have some ways to support. We use this tool called the FLOWpresso. The FLOWpresso is a lymphatic tool that moves lymphatic circulation. It helps to repair, recover, and rejuvenate the body. We use compression, we use heat, and we use pressure. Let me show it to you a little bit closer. You'll see here, it looks like compression boots in a hospital. You've probably seen those, but ours is a little more advanced. This is compression boots, legs, arms, abdomen, and back, and we can control the compression, and we've built in heat into ours. So we can control the individual chambers by heat and compression and pressure. So it's like a big warm hug for 40 minutes. And how wouldn't that help somebody with sleep, anxiety, or stress concerns? Let me show you what we were able to do with a research study with police officers, where they did 3 40-minute FlowPresso sessions. That's just one a week for 3 weeks. And I want to show you the amazing results that our wonderful police officers got because they definitely have stress, anxiety, and sleep issues. 92% of them reduce their sleep disturbance scores. 61% reduce their stress scores. 53% reduce their anxiety score. And 61% reported improved feelings towards their overall health and well-being. So my question to you is, when are you going to reserve your FlowPresso session? And be sure to thank the person that cared enough about you to send you this information on how you can improve your sleep, reduce your anxiety, and reduce your stress.